Good morning students. Welcome to YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. I'm Shalini Prakash. Today I'm going to teach you English for class UKG. Topic is sound of O words.
Children, today we'll learn sound of O words. Look and read. G-O-D, God. P-O-D, pod. R-O-D, rod. D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, log. C-O-P, cop. M-O-P, mop. C-O-T, cot. D-O-T, dot. P-O-T, pot. B-O-Y, boy. D-O-Y, toy. Repeat once more. God, pod, rod, dog, log, cop, mop, cot, dot, pot, boy, toy. Now children will learn some phonetics drill. Odd, cord, god, nod, pod, rod. Awkward, dog, fog, hog, jog, log. Upward, cop, hop, lop, mop, top. Ought, caught, dot, got, hot, pot. Now I hope you will learn these words of sound of O.